Welcome to the Epsilon Management Portal, also referred to as Epsilon Workforce. This brief tutorial demonstrates the basics of the site and focuses on the two key components immediately available for use, the employee profile and the search talent tools. After you first log into Epsilon Workforce, you will be presented with a welcome template on your homepage. This will enable you to quickly review and update your employee profile if necessary. To get started, just click the Let's Get Started button or launch Profile Wizard. The Profile Wizard is a simple stepper that guides you through the process of updating your profile. As many of the current profiles imported from legacy systems may be outdated or missing critical information, this tool enables the upload of a resume file that can be used to populate key data and walks users through the required profile fields. Step 1 of the Profile Wizard is completely optional and presents users with options to load, update, or remove an electronic resume in PDF, Doc, or DocX format. If you choose to load a resume, the uploaded resume will be parsed and sections of the information made available to load into the profile as an option or when necessary. Click Next to continue the wizard. As you proceed through the next steps, ensure that your information is accurate and that you fill out all required fields. Add or change information as necessary to bring your profile current. If you don't immediately have necessary information, feel free to skip a step and come back later to update. Information that was able to be parsed from your uploaded resume will show below the Add Form fields. You may click on any uploaded records to further review the information. Choose to load all the rows to your profile or individually add a record. When you choose to add a record, it will display the information prior to adding so you can correct any mistakes. Added records from the parsed information will automatically remove from the resume list and display in your profile. The parser does its best job to capture accurate information from your resume. However, occasionally additional artifacts may appear. Just select the individual records that meet your needs and proceed. Congratulations! When you reach the last step, your employee profile should be current. Please remember to visit Epsilon Workforce to update your profile again as information changes and you advance your training, skills, and career. Now we'll discuss the Search Talent tool. After completing your profile and launching the tutorial form from the Welcome to Do widget, you should be presented with the Search Talent tool widget on your home dashboard. You can navigate to the Search Talent page by clicking on the Search button, or if the widget didn't appear, you can customize your home page by adding the Talent Search widget or Quick Talent Search widget tool by using the Add Widget button on the top right homepage toolbar. Click on it to expand the bottom menu dialog containing available widgets. Expand the General Use widget panel and select the Quick Search Talent widget to add it to your home page. As you add or remove widgets from your home page, placement and widget selection choices will automatically save with your profile. To use the Quick Search Talent tool, just enter a simple search criteria and click Submit. This will navigate to the Search Talent page with your criteria already enforced. The Search Talent page leverages the employee profiles within Epsilon to enable company searches for proposals, skill verification, and past performance. On the left side of the Search Talent page are the primary filter options. To clear any filters, use the Clear All button or click the X button on the right of the search input. By default, when no search criteria is entered, all active employee records will display. To show employees that do not have an active status, uncheck the Active Employees Only checkbox. Non-active employees will show with a warning symbol that, on hover, will indicate their status. Additional filters are compartmentalized in distinct groups: professional details, skills, and certificates and training. Professional details enables users to filter the employee list by security clearance, years of professional experience, and the highest level of education. The skills group combines the skills selection list with skill level and skill years experience selections. And the certificates and training group enables filtering using certs and specialized training associated with the employee. Select one or more of the options to refine requirements and further filter the employee grid list. To create a quick export of employees matching your search criteria, click the Export to Excel option to generate a simple list file in Excel. To further refine your search criteria, you can also use the in-grid filters on each column to find specific details. By design, the in-grid filters are not affected by the Clear All options for the left filter menu and must be cleared independently. To quickly recap, I'll clear all the queries. If I need to find a welder within the company that has at least 10 years of experience and holds a certification in aluminum welding, I can enter my specific requirements in the filter menu on the left and quickly zero in on skilled employees matching my unique parameters. To view the employee details, I can click on the employee name to show their profile or expand the information panel by clicking on the plus next to the employee name. Options to download templated resumes are available on the expanded information panel as well as within the profile page. As the Epsilon Workforce site evolves, your feedback, suggestions, and constructive criticism helps us to improve the application. Please use the feedback button on whatever site page you're on to allow the development team to immediately receive notice and review. Thank you and have fun.